Hi everyone, Joe Root here, Vitality Ambassador, and here's a very quick, easy pasta dish to help while you're staying at home throughout this period. A few ingredients that you'll need, so obviously some pasta, we've got some prawns, some spinach, a little bit of cheese, some tomato puree, half a lemon, some chili flakes and some cherry tomatoes. So let's give it a go. First of all, you need to get your pasta. We've gone for some whole wheat pasta. Get it setting on get it bubbling and then get it on a nice medium to high setting, and then just basically however much you think's right for the amount of people you're cooking for. So we're cooking for two, so we're just trying to get the right amount. This has been on for about 5 minutes. I've got to admit I've made a bit of a mistake. I forgot the garlic. So first of all, you put your garlic in the pan, get it nice and hot, medium-high heat, then chuck your tomatoes in there. And we've done about 10 because between two of us feel that's about the right amount. And then you just add a little bit of tomato puree, probably about a tablespoon's worth. Get things nice and hot, get it moving around in the pan, and yeah, get ready to chuck the rest in. Pasta's done now, just drained it off in the sink. All you do now is simply just add it in there with the rest of the food. Mix it all around, make sure it's all spread nice and evenly, try not to chuck it all over the kitchen. Like me, keep it cooking. And then all you need to do really is start seasoning it. Bit of salt, bit of pepper. In she goes. Salt, pepper. Final thing, just to give it a little bit more flavour, is a tiny little bit of grated parmesan. Chuck it around at the end. Depending on how good you want to be, determines how much you put in there, I suppose. Mix it in on a heat just to finish things off. And there is a very easy, quick pasta dish to keep you busy and healthy whilst you're at home over the next few weeks. Thank you very much, guys. Stay safe and enjoy.